Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the stream. Today is Tuesday. Today I am playing. Jet Fisher was asking how he can play. Jet Fisher, I play against everybody. All comers 1 minute on Mondays. And I play 3-minute chess against everybody on Thursdays. With the follow, thank you, Jet. Thank you, Jet. And then another way to play me is Wednesdays. We have a tournament. And that's open to everybody. And you can play me on Wednesdays. On Tuesdays, I play YouTube members, Twitch subscribers, and Facebook supporters. It's going to be today's rapid chess, so we're going to be playing rapid chess. I'm probably going to do some puzzles too in between because I need to do more puzzles because I missed a mate in one. It's my newest short, by the way. Go to my YouTube and Charly Sardo Gaming and look at my chess shorts. I got a ton of them. Some of them are funny, some of them are instructive. They're good. Taper Mike, welcome back, dude. How you doing, man? Poopo was here first, brother. Good to see you. Poopo likes cats. Dude, cats are cool, man. Cats can be really cool. I was not a cat guy most of my life. And then we got cats. My wife got a cat. And I'm like, no cats. But what do you get rid of? The cat or the wife? I chose the wife. And it was a good choice. And then the cat had babies. Like 7 of them. We had 3 kids, so we let each kid keep 1 cat. So now we have 4 cats. Yeah, that was crazy. And those cats became part of the family, man. And you just learn their different personalities. They're creatures, man. And I've never been against creatures. Like, I like a good dog, right? But once you appreciate cats as creatures, and then you realize they have these great personalities, you can fall in love with cats. Yeah, cats are so funny, dude. Cats don't need you, man. Not like dogs do. Which you want the dog to need you, right? That's cool. But it's kind of fun when the cat don't need you, man. He don't need your attention. Cat don't need nothing. Cat, you say, here, kitty, and it doesn't even turn its head. It's just like he doesn't even hear it. It's crazy. Cats are great. Cats, I freaking love cats. I'm not going to get one. Not going to get a cat. To me, the only drawback to cats, the only drawback, and I live in Texas where there's critters. Having a cat around is a great thing. Keeps the mice down, keeps the snakes down, right? Cats are like worth $1 million freaking dollars to have a cat. But if a cat sprays in your house smells like a barn for the rest of your life. It's impossible to get rid of that freaking smell. I know, I'm a professional. And that's the problem. But if you only have 1 cat, the cat doesn't feel like he needs a spray because he doesn't need to mark his territory because he already owns his territory. You know what I'm saying? We had 4 cats in the house. Yeah, that's the thing. Freaking cats, dude. Cats. I didn't like cats. Now I have a special love for cats. Tipper Mike says you feed and house a dog, it'll think you're a god. You feed and house a cat, it'll think it's God. That's exactly right, Taper Mike. But once you get over that, and you just love the animal, then that's good. I'm gonna put a little preset comment here. Rapid with YouTube members, Twitch subs, and FB supporters today. Reach out. There we go. So I'm not going to say it. So every time someone asks, I'm going to say, I meant to do this before stream, but that's okay. Because it takes 1 second. And then I won't have to constantly repeat it. But Jet, come back and play me. Come back and play me Monday, 1 minute. Come back and play me Thursday, 3 minute. And come back and play me in the tournament on Wednesday. I've been doing this for almost 6 years now. So, in other words, we're going to be here. I'm here all the time. It's not that hard to play me. You will get to play me. Bill Stevens, hey, do you guys play chess on this stream? Actually, Bill Stevens, we do. Thank you for asking. This is a chess stream. Bill Stevens, you are not a supporter, but you are a supporter. If you ever want to play a game, you're in. Rhodes, how you doing, my brother? Welcome back. Welcome back, Rhodes, my friend. I loved when my dad came here and we did our little music stream. That when Rhodes came in, I told my dad, I said, Rhodes is in Australia, and he's my real life friend, and I've met him and hugged him and hung out with him twice. He's like, really? Yeah. That made me feel good. Rhodes is a real friend. Bill Stevens is a real friend too. I haven't got to meet Bill Stevens yet. He tried to get me to St. Louis, man. I just couldn't get there. So, okay, I am going to do a little bit of puzzles. So, Bill Stevens here, if you ever want to play a game, you tell me. Guys, Bill Stevens doesn't have a supporter badge. It's because he's a page. Bill Stevens supports the stream way more than $5 a month. Way more than $5 a month. Yeah. So, Bill Stevens, you get the carte blanche. You get the honorary supporter. Yeah, dude, Bill Stevens, you have no idea. You know what it was? I think I found out what it was. I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to fix it right now. Watch. Play guitar. Okay, this is the scene to play guitar, and you hear the echo, right? You hear the echo? I'm going to make it go away right now. I figured it out after. Tell me there's an echo, right? Is there an echo? Tell me there's an echo. This is the scene I was using. It's called play guitar. Tell me there's an echo, and then I'm going to fix it with one click. Yes, there is. Thank you. Okay, now tell me echo gone. Tell me echo gone. Tell me echo gone. Tell me gone. Dude, I made this whole stream with my dad. It took me an hour to set it up. I set up another mic. I made sure his mic was loud. We recorded over and over again to check the video to make the volume and everything. And it's gone now, though, right? Tell me it's. Is it gone? The word gone? Is the echo gone? Is it gone? Hey, James, thank you for the jewels, dude. It's better, but still here. Chorus effect. Okay, dude, I love that. Let me see if there's something else. Oh, okay, I'm going to shut this one off, too. I just muted the second mic, and there should be no... Oh, there's 2 video capture devices. I'm going to shut this one off, too. Okay, now I got everything set off except what I need. Now tell me still or gone, and then I will move back to the other thing. I had this set up before where I was plugging a guitar into the second input. It sounds perfect now. That's what, yeah. Yep. I had it all set up and we recorded, right? We kept recording it. It sounded great, but we were recording and just mixing ourselves, moving the amp forward, move your mic closer, turn up the gain on the mic. And we were setting up, and the recordings came out perfect. We're like, we got it. We're ready. We go live. I have an echo. It wasn't recording what it was putting out, and I couldn't fix it on the fly. So I had to just say, okay, shut this mic off. The echo went away. Share this mic. We were a little compromised. We got through it. We had fun. Then, later on, it hit me. That happens, right? You guys know. Aaron, my friend. Aaron, how are you, dude? Kirby, what's up, dude? Welcome back. Kirby, you want to play a rapid game, brother? I'm going to do some puzzles. Oh, we got friend requests. So you ever have a problem you can't figure out, it's driving you nuts? And you're not even thinking about it. And then your brain goes, dude, you forgot to try this. Subconsciously, you're thinking about it. I was like driving, and I'm like, I figured it out. I know what it is. Yeah. Hello, sir. How you doing? Fred Jack, I'm doing wonderful, my friend. How are you doing? Welcome to the stream. All right, AFM Kirby, type your name exactly how it appears on chess.com, Kirby. I'm sorry I don't remember. As we do that, Ernest, please read the pinned comment. It will explain. I do play bullet chess against everybody on Mondays. I play blitz chess on everybody against Thursdays, and we have an open tournament on Wednesdays. I have a friend request from Mose. I played him yesterday. Mose, we are now friends on chess.com. Marwan, we are now friends on chess.com. And Stannis Sacrifice, we are now friends on chess.com. That means we take care of each other and we help each other get better at chess. All right? I'm playing with YouTube subs. Read the comment. Like I said, I made the pinned comment so I wouldn't have to say it every time someone asks. I hope that helps, Pray Jack. Yeah. Twitch subs, basically. See, I can't just say subs, Pray Jack. That's the problem, because people sub on YouTube. But that's different than a Twitch sub. It's different than a Facebook supporter. Yeah. What was that? Okay, good. That was just a reply. It was from my son. Okay, I'm gonna shut the ringer off. But I had to hear that because that was from my son. That was from my son, guys. You're not being a bad streamer when you read a text from your son, guys. Get over it. Yeah. Cool. Yeah, so so either way, I had a couple of other things I had to mute that we weren't using at the time, and I should have thought about that, but I didn't. Got all my friends. AFM Kirby is going to type his name exactly how it is in chess.com, and I will take it, and I will play him because he used his, I don't know, he's a 2-month subscriber, 2 months on Twitch, and yeah, so there's all kinds of ways to play me, Pray Jack. All kinds of ways. And today is one. You could go on Twitch and use your Prime sub. And I don't just do it to hustle subs, guys. I really don't. I mean, it doesn't hurt. But it's to give back. It's to give back. Aaron Klawoon, my friend. I feel like I saw his comment pretty quick after he said hello. And then I called him out because I love that dude. We used to play games together. What do we play? New World? I'm getting old, bro. The history is getting so old. Bill Stevens says, so what I tell my students, the number one greatest skill of being a studio engineer is when there's a problem, don't stress out. Relax, smile, and go through the list of solutions in your mind. The quicker you can solve issues without stressing out, the smarter you look. No kidding, Bill Stevens. Bill Stevens. What do you... Well, I can ask, what do you tell people when they mess up and they want to start a song over again? If you're not a musician or you're a beginner, AFM Kirby, I need your name on chess. Oh, he typed it. Sorry, Kirby. I asked you for it. You gave it to me. I didn't see it. Guys, if you're not a musician or you're a beginning musician, I'm going to tell you the deal. When you're on stage and you're performing, don't stop a song and start it over again. You are not qualified to decide if that's a good move. It's kind of like castling. Just castle. Sometimes there could be a way where everything is so screwed up and it's still screwed up and the song's going to be train wrecked the whole time where you start a song over again. But if you just had like a bad start, we'll play unrated, Kirby, because you're rated higher than me. I ain't trying to steal your points. If you start a song off and you screw it up a little bit, just keep going. You say, yeah, but I look bad. You look way worse starting over than you do keep going. If you screwed up and now the song's going, just keep going. When you stop, you look like such a beginner. You know what I'm saying? It's worse. Half the people didn't even see your screw up. Yeah, New World, Aaron, love you, brother. Yeah, Bill Stevens said, Bill Stevens is a pro, guys. He's more pro than me. This guy's full time. He says, don't stop. Even if you make a mistake, the vibe might be right, and we can fix the mistakes later. Right. I'm talking more about live. He's talking about recording. He's even talking about in recording, don't stop. 10-minute +5 against AFM Kirby. I am shutting off chat because I'm going to fight this guy. Yeah, like, do we have to pay, like, membership and stuff to be your sub on Twitch? Pray Jack, yes, you do. But you can play me for free 1 minute on Mondays, for free 3 minute on Thursdays, and for free in our tournament every Wednesday. And then this is specific to pay back to the community that if I didn't have people that were keeping me alive, I wouldn't be able to stream. I wouldn't even be here. He plays this. Okay. I'm going to give him the best. I'm shutting chat off. I'm going to give him the best game I possibly can. Okay. And we play D4 every time, right? This move. Okay, this move. I see it. I think bishop c4 must be the move. So I'm going to play it because it prepares the castle. There's no pinster. Just castles. Just castles. Okay, this is not a pin. This is not a pin. It's a square, but it's not a pin. I don't know where this bishop wants to go yet. But I do know this rook wants to come to the e1 maneuver. So we're going to go ahead and put it and look at his king. And say, what's up with your king, bruh? I also could play the knight. I could really play the knight. I'm castled. This moves the same piece twice, though. And I'm playing against a guy that's rated 200 points, 150 points higher than me. So I want to respect him, meaning not just as a person, but as a player, right? When we're playing chess, I don't respect anybody. Okay, you are my opponent. I don't need to start attacking a king that is not castled yet. So if I play rook e1, he's almost certainly going to play this move. I don't want to spend too much time on it. It's going to be good here. Just go, man. Should have done it sooner. Now, the bishop can come to d2. It can. I'm looking at it. It will have attacking ideas. Bishop e2 sends his queen down the road, but his queen is kind of dumb right here. I don't really care about it. Do we play bishop f4? I think we play bishop f4. Or do I win the bishop now? Because even after I take and he opens up the file, I'm going to play bishop f4. And just have massive developmental scenarii. Is it best? I don't know. Just castles. Now I'm going to go for this idea. I'm going to get his bishop, and he no longer has the open file. And that is my bishop. And it's a bishop. And I'm going to get some double pawns out of the deal, too. Not a bad deal, right? Bishops are better than knights. It's his bad bishop. It is. Why? Because his center pawn is on a light square, and the bishop can't move around too much. Okay, now I can just win a pawn with check, or maybe better is to take with the rook. Kirby, what are you doing? Am I losing? Am I getting checkmated? He's 1800. Rook takes makes a big threat. Yeah, I think he's losing, guys. What is going on? I think I might have played like a grandmaster, guys. And I think he did not. Bishop takes check is a maneuver. But rook takes check is probably better because it threatens the bishop and the king. And there's threats. So I'm going to play rook takes. And I think I'm winning. No. Now is the time. I should not have been talking all that time, guys. I should not have been. Okay, my bishop's unprotected. My bishop is unprodded, guys. So rook takes might not be enough because he might have a move to attack my bishop. Takes, rook takes. Rook takes. I have a rook on the 7th. He's losing. I'm going to take this and see if I lose. Wait, no. This is a time where I can spend a minute. Relax. Bishop takes e6, king h8. What does it do for me? It protects my bishop. My bishop's not protected. It's not protected. Rook takes bishop. Queen b4, bishop b3. Queen b4 defends his bishop. It doesn't help. This seems strong enough to me. But rook e6, knight d5. Takes. Takes. Oh, wait. Knight d5. Yeah, bishop takes. Something takes. Is that all I have? I don't have a piece? I mean, I don't have a bigger threat. Because my bishop is unprotected, I might not have a bigger threat. I'm gonna say rook takes has to be better than bishop takes, and I think I have to do it now. Wow, the bishop is unprotected. Does this lose a piece? What am I doing? What? I feel like it's winning, but I had to okay, here's one thing. He is rated 150 points higher than me, but he played speed chess. He has 10 minutes and 15 seconds. He hasn't even been thinking the whole time. He should be losing. I used almost half my time. Yeah, if we were doing the chess workshop, he just steps out of it. That doesn't work. Okay, takes knight. I still think I have bishop takes. So I want a pawn. Oh no, he can't take because he gets mated. I gotta move. I could have taken another 50 seconds there too. I really could have. That was still critical, but I think I did. I think I did the right move. Because once I saw that my bishop's not really hanging because of the back rank mate. Yeah. He doesn't have knight d5. Bishop takes. Or better yet, knight takes. No, because then pawn takes. Yeah, bishop takes. And then okay, he attacks my bishop. It's a story, guys. What's it told by? That was a story. Okay. Okay. Now, this could be a really good move. It probably is. Now, I'm a little low on time, but I'm not losing. I kind of want to connect the rooks. This square allows this move, but I can always take. But it's tactics, but his queen's over there. I kind of want to leave it there looking dumb. But this is not a good square. Queen attacks, but it pins. Knight coming hits my bishop. Do we put the bishop on like a monster square? I want to bring more pieces. What if I play queen e2 and then bring the other rook? You may have b4 harassing. It doesn't do anything. I'm just going to bring pieces, assuming I'm winning. Brings the knight. Come into a good square. I'm just going to take it, man. It could come. I'm going to take it. I'm just going to take it. The stack is real, folks. His queen has very few squares. Maybe we make a threat. No, we're bringing the last piece. He can't chow the guys because he gets back rank mated. Now, this could be a really good square. His queen has no squares. His queen doesn't play chess. Okay, he opened up. That was probably a really good move because his queen had no close. I'm going to come here and trade because I'm up material. This bishop is still unprotected. If I come, he could play queen f5. Oh, let's just be rude. We can be rude. You guys want to be rude? Yeah, let's just be rude. Sorry, dude. I'm going full. Oh my god, he's still on my knight. He attacked my knight. I forgot about my knight. I almost. Oh no, but this. Yeah, but then he trades and takes. Yeah, so I almost dropped my knight. Where does the knight go? He could come here and come back. If I come knight, queen f5 doesn't really threaten anything. I just come back. The rook's still okay. If he comes, we we make everything okay. So, knight. I was going to try and trade queens, guys, and I was going to drop my knight. Getting low on time. It's okay. I'm up against a very tactical, a very good player, a great supporter of the stream. Guys, I can't read chat right now. I shut it off. I'm a bad streamer. I'll come back to you guys. Cherry Scotia, I see the like. Cherry, I love you. How are you doing? I hope everything's good with you. Again, Jet Fisher, thank you for the follow. Royce, thank you for the follow. Austin Rosa for the like. Calvin Chambers, like. Guys, these are all likes, man. I appreciate the love. I got to be looking at the game. I'm really trying to beat this guy. Bishop there might have been the move, man. It might have been the move with ideas. His queen has a square. Okay, the knight comes. Now I think, okay, now we can't. Oh, now we can't trade. Okay, can I attack his... Oh, no. Oh, no. So now he's going to be up in exchange. See? I didn't see it. Oh, I could take this way, but that just gives it my bishop. He gets the same fork. I can't defend. The knight can't come. So I blundered. So I have to come here. I have to come here and give up the exchange. And accept the square. I have to accept the square, folks. I have to accept that my poor knight is going to be on an outpost on c5, defended by the pawn on d4. He might have a move here, guys. He might see a manunu. I don't see it. I had to give an exchange back. So what am I going to have? Wait, I'm up a piece, right? So I'm going to have two pieces. I'm going to have two pieces for the rook. Right. Now, if I come to this square, he could play knight back. Nope, because I have queen. I think we come to this square. Again, his queen has very few squares. This cuts a lot of squares off too. Knight back. Oh, wait, I thought queen f3 attacked the rook. It doesn't. Okay. I can't defend it. So I just bring it back. And only the knight is pinned. And then I can step off. I also have f3. And this diagonal is fine. We're probably going to play this move and be on this pawn. And fixing the malarkey. Fixing all malarkey. Dude, see the tactics. What was the move? What was I supposed to do there to not lose that exchange? I was up a full piece. Now I got two pieces. No, I don't have two pieces. I have two bishops for an undeveloped rook. No, this is plus 3 or 4 right now. There's my quote on move 20. We'll see what it is when we look back at it, okay? Evaluating the position is a very important part of the game of chess. I think this is not an idea. Because the knight he's on my team, guys. He's on my team. The knight can come to this square and I can't take it because he'll win. But from there, the knight, he doesn't do anything. So we simply unpin. Coming here doesn't help. We got to unpin. Oh, and I want to unpin with the idea of unpinning. Okay. I guarantee I know the best move a few times, but he out-tactics me. But I think I know the best move in this position. Now, I think, do we want to trade rooks? Well, I mean, you must control or contest. He's going to control this file. This knight doesn't have any good jumps. Do we make left this way? We might. No, because of this file, I think we make left not war. We might make left this way. Guys, make left not war. War is wrong. He's going to beat me on the clock. The rook comes. Right. Where can the knight go that's fun? Maybe to this square. Oh, so you could control the file a different way. Right? Dude! Whoa, I control the file with pieces. I control... Okay. Do we make love, not war? Maybe this square? Or just take it the pawn? Oh, no, the knight. So I could play takes, and then this is weak. Or I'm just going to improve my piece, guys. No. I'm going to make love, not war. I should have made war, guys. I know I should have made... I already saw his plan, guys. I saw his getaway plan. Oh, no, but this would have threatened to win a pawn. It's okay. It still wins a pawn. He sees it too. Maybe now then, when he starts the plan, his getaway plan that I see, I need to cash in. Oh, I could takes. These are all pretty safe. This can, yeah. Just win another pawn. And look at the bishops. And the thing, it's not the bishops, guys. Oh, the thing about it too is on takes, if... but the knight, he could like pin the knight and stuff. You get out of it, but it's weird. Good. Okay. He saves his pawn. I'm coming. I'm coming. He saw it. I have this move. No, I have this move. If he takes here, I think he loses. Yep, so we play here. The bishop's locked out of this side, though. That's the only thing I don't like about this move, but we are so okay. We are so rocking the house. We have weaknesses. Yeah. Okay, here. Okay. And then... I came back a little bit, guys. I admit it! I think we start shoving the pawn, guys. Yeah, because the queening square is done. Yeah, this is our cooked pawn. Covered. Not smothered. Okay. Okay, and then... Let's not give him any way to win, guys. 0 ways to win. There we go. There we go. Okay. Uh-huh. I said 0 ways to win. Now he has a check. Did I get him, guys? Did I get him? Kirby, were you listening? I set that up. Now he has a check. Yeah. Good game, dude. Good game. I mean, he was busted anyway. He was busted anyway. Kirby, you played speed chess, brother. You played speed chess. You didn't respect the position at the beginning of the game. Oh, man. Now, I'm not going to lie. Little bit of trouble there, and I gave something back. Kirby, good game, dude. We're going to look at this. Okay, let's get to the review. What's up, everybody? Pizza the Guy. Who doesn't love Pizza the Guy? When a guy named Pizza walks in the room, everybody loves pizza. Oh, Bill Stevens said about stopping a song. Oh, definitely on stage. 100% feel embarrassed for the band when they bail on a song and restart. 99% of listeners have no idea you made a mistake unless they tell you tell them you made one. That's right. Cherry said hello. Cherry, how you doing? Everything dandy. Everything's good, Cherry. Great to hear it. Hey, I like your new profile pic. Looking good. Is that the new do? Is your hair really that long, Cherry? Is that a new pic or is that like high school or something? Guys, Pizza the guy, he's here. The pizza got here. I forgot about the increment. I thought I could just flag you at the end. Oh. Why didn't you try and outplay me, man? You should have tried to outplay me. Okay. I played 89%. He played 82% accuracy, guys. Okay? Oh no, we're gonna look at the squiggler cam first. Guys, this is exclusive. We pay a lot of... Wait, where is it? Go back. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. This is exclusive to Charly Sardo game. You won't see it anywhere else, guys. This is a squiggler cam, and this tells the story of the game. And White had a slight advantage in the opening. Then I gave it back, and we're equal. And then he gave me a piece, and it never was in doubt. Even... Wow. Dude... Even when I lost the exchange, that was... I might have played the best move. Crazy. Okay, now let's get back here. Now let's... How come there's no board here, bro? On my vertical, hold on, guys. We got to set one thing here. There we go. They got their board back. Good. They wanted their board back, guys. Okay. Here we go. I played one brilliant move and one great move. He had 0 and 0. I played 8 book. He played 7. I beat him in the book, guys. 13 best. He played 8. He was playing too fast. I played like a 2300. He played like a 2000. But it still says that you played the opening better than me. But I paid. Check this out. I played 13 book moves. He only played 12. He played the opening better than me. Like a 2000. I played the opening, or no, he played the opening with the blue mark, with the exclam. I only got a star. Yeah. Tactics. Wow, it says tactics too. I did good. He got a check. Strategy check. End game check. Okay. He made 5 mistakes. I made none. I had 0 inaccuracies, 0 mistakes, 0 misses, 0 blunders, and he just made 5 mistakes. That was the difference. 5 mistakes. Okay, we're going to go to the opening book, folks. The opening book. You always, here's how you study a game. First thing, you look at the opening book, and you see how good your opening held up and what move. Even if you only learn one move further in the opening, that's just the brute force rote memorization of openings, which isn't going to help you. It kind of does help you, though. At low levels, it doesn't. With extensions and white hairspray. They have white hairspray? So it's like a paint. It's like a dye. Yeah, Bishop D6 was the right move. I didn't even see it before you played it. We'll see. I probably didn't see it before we got there. Okay. Oh wait, I'm on. Oh yeah, I'm okay. Bishop C4 was the best book move. Okay. Bishop D2 is the #1 book move. I feel like Bishop D2 in some of these lines. Not this exact line, but some of these lines, guys, because look what it does. It creates a discovery attack threat. So I can move the knight anywhere and do something, right? But it's not that big of a threat. And anyone that plays the Queen A5 lines is used to it. And I've seen plenty of games I've analyzed, not this exact line, obviously, but Scandinavian defenses where Bishop D2 is like the second best move. You know what I'm saying? Is Bishop F4 sometimes is a move, but not here. Bishop D2 is the best move. It likes castles. Bishop D2, even Knight E5. I castled. Yes, that was a second most played in the master database. E6, great move. Okay, rook E1. I told you I don't know where my bishop goes. I don't know where it goes. Second best move, Bishop F4, or second most commonly played move in the master database. Okay. Dude, I got to tell you guys something right now. YouTube is having problems. We had problems yesterday getting live on YouTube, and YouTube is having problems today. What is their freaking problem? What is the problem over here, man? I'm going to try and do the only thing I know to fix it, and then just hope we're alive. I know we're alive. Hey, bro. Hey. Daria. welcome to my stream, man. Read the comment if you want to play me, guys. I'll tell you what's going on today. Okay. So, rookie 1, most common master game move. Bishop E7 is third on the list. Really? Why? Kirby, that look. I mean, what does it do? It develops a piece, and it prepares castling. Second best move for Stockfish, but it wants Knight BD7 for some reason. And the master database is Knight BD7 or Bishop B4. It's not bad. It's not bad. But it's weird that those two other moves are ahead of this. I would play this move. Bishop F4. Stockfish likes it as fourth best and it's second best in the master database. It wants to play Knight E5. Okay. Or the masters play Knight E5. Here's why I don't play Knight E5. Because I'm not a master. I'm trying to get better at chess. And I'm playing a really good player. So you know what works? What's his name, guys? What's the guy's name? Chess Vibes. What's his name? Nelson? I was going to call him Nelson. Is his name Nelson? He said when you have a choice between two moves in the opening and you're not sure which one to do the one that develops a piece. That's what I did. That's what I did, folks. Bishop F4. Not a bad move. It's still basically equal. This is like... I mean, I've lost some of my opening advantage. Now, what did I say about Knight H4? Did I play it? Yeah, I did. You know what's funny? It's not even in the master... No, it's a fifth best move in the master database. Everybody plays Queen D2. All the masters play Queen D2. That is crazy. Now, understand that there's a threat here, too, with Queen D2. If he just does something... I have this... If I do this and my queen's not hanging... It's not hanging. Well, it's not a trade. Because I can take check first. Intermezzo. I learned that from the Italian. I mean, from the Sicilian. And then I can take my queen back. He attacks my rook, I can take a bishop. You know what I'm saying? So there's a Queen D2. Queen D2 is what all the masters play. Or they play H3, Queen E2. But you know what Stockfish says? My move. Because he no longer has this open file after I take. He comes back, just rip it. I just rip it. Stockfish says rip it. Now, Rook E6 is the best move. King H8. Rook E7. B5. Dude, check out Stockfish. Stockfish says, forget this. Bishop F1. That is crazy talk. Stockfish is doing crazy talk, man. Yeah. I have a feeling YouTube chat is glitching. And so if you're on YouTube, stay there. Talk among yourselves. But the YouTube chat keeps connecting, disconnecting, reconnecting. I've refreshed everything as well as I can. I mean, I could try and refresh this while I'm live. I think I can get away with it. We're going to try it. Yeah. And I could try and refresh this. I could try and see if we get away with it. Because all plats matter here at Charly Sardo Gaming. Okay, there we go. We'll see if it says successfully connected. We'll see if the chats are working now. Okay, so it wants Bishop F1. Dude, Bishop F1 and Bishop E2 are +5 basically, and this is like +4.5 or 4 3/4. It's bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. I wanted to keep it. There are benefits to it. Knight of BD7 by far the best move. Good job. Bishop G3. Remember I told you, Calvin Chambers with the eyeballs. Remember I told Calvin Chambers, how you doing, brother? Remember I told you that this bishop is loose? So just Bishop G3. Yeah, see, even though I have this and I want to keep control of the file, or try to, this is still loose. This could be an idea too. Threatening. Bishop G3 is the best move. 94 is... I think I played 94. I mean, this is barely the best move. But it just defends the piece. I played Queen E2. Queen E2 is not on the list. It goes from almost +5 to +4.5. I lost 4.6. I lost a third of a pawn by doing that. Knight b6 is not on the list. Rook fe8. If there is only one file, you must control or contest it. You can contest it. Daniel Naroditsky says control or contest it. One open file. And there's only one open file. Knight b6. Stockfish. Can't complain. Hey, Vincent, how you doing, man? Pizza the guy. Yeah, the bishop f1 reminds me of the Spanish game. Oh, is that a move in the Spanish game? Yes, and I now can confirm that YouTube chat is completely jacked up. If you guys can see your chat, talk among yourselves. That's great. If not, go to Facebook or Twitch, Charly Sardo Gaming for your chat. I can't help you. I know that yesterday YouTube was kind of screwed up. Usually I'm complaining about Facebook. Usually Facebook is screwed up. Facebook rocking it today. Here we go. So, guys, you're not going to believe the move. Rook g7. Because if king g7, check. King h8 only. Welcome to this, guys. And then bishop e5. And he can't defend it. No, he can come back. King. Oh, knight d5. I just take it, though. And he can't come back here. Why? Because it's pinned. Rook g7, dude. That's just crazy talk, bro. I had rook g7. Didn't see it. Rook g7. Wow. It's 1, 2, soon to be 3, and 4 attackers. Because this is going to be attacking too. Crazy. Rook e1 is 4th on the list. It's only a half pawn worse. But rook g7 is better. Yeah, the bishop f1. Okay, got that. I outplayed you, but you were playing speed chess, brother. You didn't even try any opening. You got to bet you lost that pawn and gave up your whole position. b4 is not on the list. Wait. Yeah, no, it's 4th on the list. Now it's 2nd on the list. Wait, give it a second. You might be a genius. They're about the same. Queen b4 and b4. Okay, let's see how I did. Oh, rook e5. What did I say about the queen? No, but rook e5, abandoning the... Rook e5. And now I win more here, I think. Knight bd5. Knight d5, cd5. Bishop g5 threatening. He can't just defending. But it's pinned. It's a stockfish line. I'm not going to go too deep into it. Okay. Knight. Is that... Yeah. Second best move. Still winning. Takes. Okay. Bishop d6 was the second best move. I played it. Knight c5 was the best move. Now you can't leave. Oh, he could play queen b5, though. Yeah. And it's his best move. I'm like, wait a minute. Queen b5? Yeah, it's his best move. He needs to get out of the trouble, man. He's in a little bit of trouble here. Queen b5 and, like, what do we do? Wow. Just say trade queens. Trade queens. You have to. Now, do we take with check? We do. King g8. Takes, and what? Rook f5. Bishop h6. Threatening checks and all kinds of malarkey, guys. Didn't see... Oh, wait. Okay. Bishop d6. Oh, yeah. Bishop d6 was second best move. It's still +5. Okay, I thought I gave back too much. And it was on move 20. That I said it was... What did I say it was? Like +3 or something? How do I see the move? We're almost there. Bishop d6 was brilliant. That was my brilliant move. Wow, I thought I was in trouble. Takes. Takes. Rook over. That's a mistake. You should have played h6. Oh, knight d6. I didn't even consider knight d6. Hits the rook. That's his best move. Don't I have check? I do. King G8. Knight G6 check. King H8. Stockfish always keeps repeating. What do you do, Stockfish? Oh, then Queen E6. Stockfish is so rude. One thing I notice about Stockfish, when it doesn't know what to do, it brings its pieces just closer. Just moves them up. A slight advantage, right? A slight push, if you will. You know what I'm saying? Vincent followage for 1,952 days. Wow. And Rhodes with the follower hype. Vincent been following forever. Vincent Ray. Thank you, Vincent. Who's Calvin's? Dude, Calvin's been around forever, and he's 1,891. And Vincent just flexed on him. Dude, followage is back. Followage went away for like a couple weeks or a couple months or something, huh? Cantu, 1,865. Dave Marcus Cantu, thank you, dude. Thank you for the... I'm looking at your face, brother. Oh, Marcus Cantu has one of the best profile pictures ever. Cause you know what I love about profile pictures on Facebook? I can mouse over them. Rhodes, I see Rhodes. I know Rhodes. Vincent Ray's profile pic looks like a dude chilling, bro. We got a dude chilling. Aurora, is that a country? Is that a state? Kirby definitely didn't really try to think this game. Not at the beginning he did. Not at the beginning he did. He kind of he let me get an advantage, and then he tried to beat me, I think. But he was spamming moves. Knight comes. Best. Bang, bang. Okay, here I had knight c5. Or knight d6. Controlling the square. And adding the check. I mean, this is just, yeah. I didn't see knight c5. Knight c5 was so much better. Okay, bishop back. I'm just trying to get him pinned now. I'm consolidating by doing that. Hey, that was the best move, though. By consolidating, I let him kind of get back in the game. That was good. It wanted bishop b4. Bishop... Oh, because the knight's pinned. I didn't see it! Tactics. I have a minute and a half. I have a minute 49. Guys, the tactics go out the window at this point. Takes. Queen back. H3 is good. It likes H4 for the Luftdoubloons, but I played H3 because I'm low on time. I don't want to get mated. I believe I'm winning. Queen E6 now just threatens to win another pawn. And the knight controls the square is the most important part. Now, I found the... That's not even best. It wants knight C4. Knight C4? What is this? No, now it's saying Queen E6 is best. Queen E6. Good. Okay. Push. Just takes. Take another pawn. Now I'm up 2 pieces for the rook and 2 pawns. Rook comes. Take another pawn. I don't think he can take here because of check. And we would have had another short. We wouldn't have had another short, guys. We would have had another short. And Kirby sees that. So that's why Kirby doesn't take my pawn. Kirby stops it. Now renewing the threat on the pawn. Oh, C4. What a... C4 is so much better. Plus, the bishop can come back. Oh, C3. I play C3. That is the best? How could that be the best move? How could that be the best move? How is this not Grandmaster, bro? Now, it says C4 is best. That means they were the same. Okay, C3 is okay, though. Queen comes. Offers a trade. It wants knight E4 is best. Why? Why? Why can't he just like... Oh, because I just played F3. Oh, because no, it's queen hangs. Duh. I didn't see it. But still, where's the knight going from here? I don't see it. Oh, it doesn't... No, I'm winning this. Oh my god, I didn't see it. My tactics are so bad. Guys, I had this move. His best move is rook d8, attacking the queen. And we trade. F3. Just locking it down. Then I can bring this, and I can bring the king. And I can walk the pawn with the king. I can walk the pawn with the king. Wow. Okay, I didn't see 94. 94 won at least an exchange. Or force the queens off. Queen E3 was best. Yep. Now, this is where I feel like I'm past consolidation. And this is a great move. I played the best back. C4 was okay. It wanted knight B7. Stockfish is just a psycho. Oh, look at this. Look what I had, though. Again, my second discovered attack I didn't see. Yeah, Calvin, I see it now. My second discovered attack I didn't see, guys. My tactics are so bad. But I'm low on time. I'm playing very practical chess. He comes. I played here. I said, oh, he has a check. And I played here, and he played the check. He had 5:50 on his clock. I think he had given up. He's losing, so he figures, okay, well, I'm going to activate the rook. And then he dropped that. Good game. Good game, Kirby. Please use your time next time, brother. Use your time. Okay, we are going to go to the coffee cam and make a cup of coffee, guys. Welcome to the coffee cam. If you've never seen it and you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, we play Elden Ring and other games after dark. Come with me to the coffee cam. All right, guys. Now, one thing I just realized too. Yeah, dude. Just alert from my YouTube guys. Doesn't mean you have to stop watching on YouTube, but YouTube chat is gone. It's I'm not ignoring you. It's completely shot. I've refreshed everything, and I already did pre-stream network analyses. No, it's clearly YouTube. So everything is completely strong at this end. Same way we always go live, and it just keeps disconnecting chat for some reason. So if you must chat or you want to play me and you're a member on YouTube, you got to come to Twitch. Although I'm not going to be able to know, so they're totally screwed me up. So if you want to play me and you're a member, supporter, or subscriber on Twitch, tell me your name on chess.com, and I would love to play you a game. Like Calvin Chambers is a supporter. I don't know if he has time to play. Who else is a supporter on Facebook? Looking. That's unless Bill Stevens wants to play. I don't think he said yes, though. Yeah, no. Okay, I am going to jump into puzzle jail until then because I have to start doing puzzles. And dude, I literally saw a grandmaster. Where's puzzle jail? Puzzle jail, guys. Why is it so hard to go to jail? Puzzles. No, I want puzzle rush. But he said doing easy puzzles is fine. He said, but without, he said it's like puzzle rush without rushing. We just checkmate, right? Okay, we just... Is it check and mate? That dude, this is a hard one, but it's all forced. But still, that's a lot of moves for puzzle number 2. Chess.com. I think if I play this move, he's getting mated no matter what. He does have rook takes pawn check though. Do I have any checks? I don't. So I think this move, rook takes, queen takes. And there's no more checks. And then I'm threatening check and mate. So I think it's this move. And this is a pattern that's great to learn, guys. With the bishop here and the rook here. See, his best move is to just start sacking stuff. Because I was going to play the rook check, guys. And then it's mating. It's mating. Watch the puzzle rush. It's pretty fun. Yeah. I could give it a shot, even though it's late, a bit tired. Watching puzzle rush is pretty fun. Sounds to me like you'd rather chill, Calvin Chambers. What are we? We're chillers. It's the best community in the world for a reason, guy. Because we don't... Oh, this bishop is loose, right? So we have check and takes. Why do I feel like these... Oh, I start in the middle. This is a continuing run I did before. I'm like, why are these puzzles... They're supposed to be back rank mates for the first one. But these are not back rank mates. Because I'm on puzzle number 19. That explains a lot, guys. That explains a lot. Okay, white to make a maneuver. I have a check. If g6, I have knight takes, but I have a check. And if the king moves, he can't castle. Oh, but then the queen comes in with check. So, I don't see the mate, but this is it. Well, okay. Now, some lines you take the pawn. But since there's no other attackers, I know that we just take the rook. If there were more attackers, I would have to look deeper. Black to make a maneuver. Check. King up. And where's the mate? Oh, pawn mate. Wow. Yeah, rook takes. Black to make a maneuver. This is basically... We could force him here, but what does it do? Check, and then rook here is mate. I think I've seen this puzzle before. I think I saw that one before, guys, a long time ago. Which is why we do puzzles. Dave Joyce, how you doing, man? How you doing? Welcome, Dave Joyce. We got coffee. I'm playing supporters from Facebook, subscribers on Twitch, and members on YouTube. And if you guys want to play, tell me. YouTube chat is down, so if your chat is down, you can go to Twitch or Facebook. It's all I can do, guys. It was glitchy yesterday. It really was. Go to the beginning of yesterday's stream. You'll see it. Okay, white to make a move. I'm looking at the check. But the discovered attack doesn't do anything. I feel like I want to defend the knight, but... What is this move? What is this puzzle? Oh, just knight takes rook. Knight takes rook. How do I mean, why is it giving me this one, though? I didn't just get one wrong. It's just knight takes rook. They scare me. Cherry's still here. Cherry says, hey, Dave. Come on, Dave. Give me your break. One break coming up. What do we got here? Did anyone ever say that to you, Dave Joyce? Come on, Dave. Give me a break. Or do they say, hey, Dave, give me a break? White to make a maneuver. This bishop is playing chess. This traps the rook. Only way to save it, and then we get the knight. This looks like a double attack. And then we take with check. Let's be sure there's nothing better. Hey, man. You know what? Bobby Fischer's Bobby Fischer, but a knight's a knight. It's a great line, guys. Guys, do you know that Bobby Fischer one time said that he could give any woman on the planet a knight and beat her? And Nona Gramstvashvili, the lady that they defamed in the great Netflix series The Queen's Gambit, I think she said something about it, like, I'll play Fischer if he gives me a knight. And then Fischer went silent. He didn't want to play. And they said, Bobby Fischer's Bobby Fischer, but a knight is a knight. And he couldn't do it. And the reason why is the same reason why Hikaru said he couldn't give Gotham Chess a queen. Because what'll happen is, like, she was very strong. She was nowhere near Bobby Fischer, but she was very strong. And in the opening, the knight seems like a lot. But she might, like, get to a pretty equal position toward the end game. And he might be better than her. And then she could trade the knight for 2 pawns into a winning end game that she can play well enough to beat him. Do you know what I'm saying? It's exactly why Hikaru can't give Gotham Chess a queen. It'd probably be equivalent. No, Nona was way stronger than Gotham Chess. But what Gotham Chess could do is he could get in a worse position and then sack a rook for a knight. If the knight's in his way, just sack a rook for a knight. I'm up 9 points. Okay, now I'm only up 7 points. Whoop-de-doo. Right? Oh, I'm losing. Sack a pawn. Now I'm only up 6 points. And as everything gets traded off, you keep giving a little bit back, and he's up 3 points in the endgame, and he wins. Yeah. So, black to make a maneuver. Does anyone want to play? If I don't get enough subs from YouTube, members on YouTube, subs on Twitch, and supporters on Facebook to stay busy doing it on these days, that's fine. We already do the chess workshops because I have other ideas for Tuesdays. Queen. Okay, it's okay. Black to move. Black to move. Black to move. There's a check, and I can just take the knight. I mean, what else is there? And we're winning because of this. Oh, wait, I didn't see it, but no, we go here. Now do we cash? Definitely cash. There we go. Bishop hits my rook. That's bad. But I have a check that doesn't do anything. Oh, I'm on his queen, though. Oh, so I just played takes check. And then takes. And then takes. Okay. I have this move. Which probably will bring him... I call it a come to papa move. This check could be a move, but no. Once he takes, there's not enough attackers. I don't even have... I have a check here. He could just move again. Oh, no. But this is come to papa, too. This might be even more come to papa. But if he comes up... Yeah, this is definitely it. It's definitely this move check. If he plays king g3, we have the fork if we want it, winning the queen and the game. And if he doesn't, the knight's protected, and the queen can come to check here, and then he's getting... Yeah, knight check. He has to sack his queen. That's how bad it was, guys. Why you attack my queen? Oh, wow. I get away here. I'm like, oh my god, I have no squares. I have no squares. I can get away here and then away here. That must be the move, right? There's no checks. Well, I mean, there's a check here. You got to look at them, but no, I mean, you look at them for a little bit, right? Yeah, it looks like run for your life. And then run for your life. Black to make a maneuver in the endgame scenario. I can't take the pawn. I can push, but then he takes it and he's draw. But maybe that's best. Black to make a move here. What do you... Hey! Came back. I missed a huge storm. You missed it. Huge storm. All is well. I'll see you next week. Serendipitous. Man, come when you can, brother. I'm not ending the stream. But you are the first chat on YouTube since it says successfully reconnected. So that's good news. Yeah. You missed it. Huge storm. Dude, I'm sorry about your storm. Black to move. If I push... Oh, no. This pawn is going this way. So this just wins the bishop. Yeah. Calvin, I thought the pawn was going the other way. I think I just played bishop g2, but that wasn't g2. Okay. Rook takes. If I take and make a queen, what happens? What is this? Because I do have the check picking up the rook, which is 5 points, and I keep my pawn. Now this is something I never considered, right? How is this not a thing? Yeah, you can get moves, Calvin, 1000%. If I don't want to see the move, I won't look at chat. 1000%. Play. Give me the moves. You give me the moves. That's fine. Okay. Here's something I never considered. When you promote, I make a queen. Okay. I'm getting 5 points. And I'm creating 9 points. That's 14 points. But it cost me a pawn. That's something I never considered. I still think it's the best move. But when I take, my pawn disappears. So I'm picking up 9 points, but I'm losing a point. Do you understand what I'm saying? Plus whatever I take. I never considered losing the pawn when you promote. How come I never thought about that? There should be a name for that. Because I was thinking this check and pick up the rook. Because I keep my pawn, but it doesn't matter right here. But like, in other words, if I was just promoting this way, I still get 9 points. It's still the best move. You know what I'm saying, though? I never considered... Okay, we have a check first, I think. No, we don't. Yes, we have a check and win the queen. Look at it. Queen check, forced, and then rook check, discovered attack. Look at that. That's pretty. Okay. Pawn takes. Black to indulge in a manunu. This is a check, but it doesn't do anything. Check. King up. There's no other pieces. So I just have to take the free rook. Why is it giving me easy puzzles? Vic, what's going on, brother? Trey, dude, I didn't see Trey. Trey, no, Trey, tell me you're still here. Trey, I love you, man. You know, I'm doing it. I'm calling it. With the bad scenario, YouTube, I love you guys, but YouTube is not feeding their chat today, and it's looking abysmal over there. If you're watching on YouTube, please come over to Twitch or Charly Sardo Gaming at Facebook. I'm gonna end the YouTube streams. I don't want people to come in and say, is he reading YouTube chat? Is he ignoring?